I'm Kevin Michalowski, editor of Concealed Carry Magazine and director of content for the USCCA. I'm here on the set of our latest Proving Ground with Ron Aguiar. Ron, you've been training folks on protecting houses of worship. Have you been seeing what we're doing in Concealed Carry Magazine lately?
You know, I think the magazine's a great magazine. It offers a great service to your members, and I think that the information is fantastic in it.
We have an outstanding team working up at the Content Creation Center up there in Iola. And I think when we started out, we wanted this to not be the traditional gun magazine. And I really think that we've gotten a hold of that and been able to do that effectively. You've got a book out there now, Protecting Your Church, is that it?
Yeah, Keeping Your Church Safe.
Keeping Your Church
Safe. I wrote
Safe.
it a few years ago, and it's spreading pretty well.
Who is buying this book? Are you getting it out to churches or church groups? Who's going for it?
Churches mostly. People that find out about it are linked to a church, either wanting to start a team or improve the team that they have currently in their church.
Why is it so important to train your safety team?
I think it's important, Kevin, because they're responsible for everything they do. So they need to be trained and to respond and maybe prevent something from happening before it does.
Yep, absolutely. We take the time to train people. We're talking about responsibility. When do we want them to act?
I think we want them to act quickly, but appropriately. Never respond with too much force when it's not needed, because again, they're responsible for that.
And this is something a lot of people don't think about when they're coming to church. Typically, it's a place of peace and quiet and safety, stuff like that.
Yes.
Are bad things happening in churches?
Absolutely. A lot of times it's domestics or it's people with mental conditions. But sometimes we do have church shootings as evidence in the last couple of years. There have been some horrific violent acts in churches.
Yeah, that's never good news for anybody who's involved.
Sure.
I'd really like to extend an offer right now to have you come to our Concealed Carry Expo. It's May 17th through 19th, 2019 in Pittsburgh. I hope you can be there and put on a seminar.
It would be my privilege to do that.
What would you be talking about? What would you present, and how long do you think you'd get up on stage and talk to some folks?
I think we talked about an hour or so, and we take actual cases of shooting and violent crime in churches and break them down so we can learn from them.
I really think that's something everybody who attends church on a regular basis, and even people who just go part-time, really need to see, because we never know where crime is going to strike.
That's right.
Remember to click on the link down below to sign up for our live training broadcast, where we'll teach you how to protect your houses of worship.